These are the supplies you will need to make face shields: laminating machine, hole punch, scissors, utility knife, rubber bands size 1/8 by 7 inches cut into 2 equal pieces, thermal laminating pouches size 9 by 11 1/2, latex gloves, mask, disinfectant wipes, foam tape, and a PDF template supplied by the Kaiser Cabinet Shop. These are the steps to make a face shield. Number 1, insert the thermal laminate pouch into the machine. The next step is to cut the laminate pouch to the template provided using scissors or a utility knife. The third step is to punch one hole in each corner at the top of the shield. After that, cut the foam tape to 8 inches and apply it to the top of the shield. Cut the rubber bands in half and attach one piece to the shield. This is the end of the process.